Hey, what's up everyone? It's Roy here, and in today's video, I want to take you on a tour of some of the nearby scenic places from Birganj, an upazila in the north of the Dinajpur district in Bangladesh. Last winter, in January of 2023, I had the opportunity to visit Bangladesh. So I went on a day trip with some of my friends to explore the nearby places, and I must say, it was an unforgettable experience. So our first target was to explore the rural areas of North Bengal. On our way, we visited the Orange Valley, 3 bridges on top of the Tangon River. We biked through a Sal forest and spent the afternoon in a recreational place named Sayma Parvez Resort. So we are biking along the Birganj-Pirganj road, and this was our first stoppage. We stopped at this bridge on top of the Tangon River just before the Orange Valley. I wanted to take some shots around the bank of the river, and it was nice to capture ourselves waving our hands from the bridge. From the first Tangon River Bridge, we visited the popular Orange Valley, a picturesque garden located on the banks of the Tangon River. The garden is filled with lush greenery and is home to hundreds of orange trees that bear fruit throughout the year. Visitors can walk around the garden, buy from the inside store, and enjoy fresh, juicy fruits. The only thing to remember is the owner doesn't permit plucking oranges straight from the trees. Our next target was a Sal Tree forest, and we found another bridge just beside it. And alongside the bridge, there was the Tangon River Rubber Dam. The rubber dams are common in Bangladesh, especially in the North Bengal. The dam is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, who come here to enjoy the serene beauty of the river and surrounding landscape. The dam also plays an important role in controlling floods during the monsoon season and is a key source of irrigation water for farmers in the region. So after biking through the Sal forest, we reached our next stoppage, the Tangon-River Rail Bridge. The unused one is a historic bridge that was built during the British colonial era, and the new one is in use today. The bridge spans the Tangon River, connecting the towns of Birganj and Bochaganj, the other upazila of Dinajpur. The bridge offers breathtaking views of the river and the surrounding countryside and is a popular spot for photography enthusiasts. Finally, we wrapped up our day trip by spending the late afternoon at the Sayma Parvez Resort. This beautiful resort is located just beside the Dinajpur-Birganj road and offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside villages. The resort features a few gardens, a swimming pool, and a range of recreational activities for visitors to enjoy. There are also rides and attractions available for the children. So that's it, folks, our day trip to Birganj, Dinajpur. From the Orange Valley to the Tangon-River Rail Bridge to Sayma Parvez Resort, all of these places truly have something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. And if you ever get the chance to visit Birganj and Upazila of the North Bengal district Dinajpur in beautiful Bangladesh, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.